Today we're reviewing this Logitech wireless keyboard that has been with us for about 3 years. We use it for work, my wife and I, and we are both very satisfied with it. We came from being used to using the keyboard of our laptops, and when we started using this, it was like a big difference to our productivity. We thought it was not so important, but trust me when I tell you that if you're used to using laptops for keyboards, this makes a big difference. You get to do a lot more and in a much more comfortable way. This, given its design, it's adapted to each hand. If you see, standard keyboards are all straight and they do not adapt for your natural position when you work. And our natural position, we have to type a lot in our work, and our natural position is obviously having one hand rested on each side. Not only the keyboard adapts to that, but also it provides you with this amazing cushion. It comes with it and it's quite comfortable. It does help for comfort, really, especially when you spend 8 hours per day in front of the computer. So all in all, very satisfied with it. As you can see, some keys are a bit wider given the form. It responds to the touch, obviously, so now it's on sleep mode, but as soon as you touch it, you can see how it turns on the little lights, and it tells you that it's ready to be used. Also, it's important to highlight that it comes with these numbers over here, so not only you count with them on the top part, but also on the right side, and it provides you as well with all these options that once you get to learn how to use them, they can also increase your productivity. So all in all, it's been a great addition in terms of productivity and comfort. In these two options, I'm very happy with it, just because it does make your life easier. So all in all, very happy with it.